Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LawDroid Chatbot easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the official LawDroid website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from LawDroid. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your LawDroid dashboard. Locate the Chatbot installations section on the dashboard. Select the platform where you want to install the chatbot, such as your website or social media. If you're using a website, copy the provided installation code. Open your website's content management system. Navigate to the area where you can add custom scripts or code. Paste the LawDroid installation code into the appropriate section. Save your changes and publish the updated page. If using a social media platform, follow the prompts specific to that platform. Finish setting up your chatbot using the customization options available. Test the chatbot to ensure it's functioning correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing. Finally, review the chatbot settings to ensure it meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.